Hundreds of patients at the Beckley VA Medical Center are being urged to get blood tested after the Office of the Inspector General uncovered evidence of an unlicensed physician, folks, performing unauthorized acupuncture at the hospital. WVVA News' Annie Moore is live at the Beckley VA right now, working to learn more about the spark that set this investigation into motion. Annie?
Josh, veterans have been getting calls from their primary care physicians all week. While details are limited right now, here's what we do know. This all stems from an investigation by the Office of Inspector General in October.
We begin with an update of an investigation underway at the Beckley VA Medical Center involving acupuncture procedures by an unlicensed doctor.
And we're now able to confirm his name. It's Dr. Jonathan Yates, and you may recall that's the same doctor sentenced to federal prison for sexually abusing patients at that hospital. Hundreds of veterans are now urged to get their blood tested for blood-borne disease.
Our Annie Moore broke this story at noon and now joins us with an exclusive interview with one of the veterans who got that call.
Nearly 400 veterans are being asked to get tested for blood-borne pathogens such as hepatitis and HIV. They're patients at the Beckley VA who received acupuncture procedures between May of 2018 and February of 2019.
You know, you're a veteran and you're at home or you're on the job, and all of a sudden your cell phone rings and it's someone from the VA with bad news.
Steve New is a lawyer for several of those patients.
There also is some concern, as has been disclosed to my clients, that the needles were either being reused or somehow contaminated, which is another aspect of acupuncture.
According to the VA Office of the Inspector General, in October, their office found documentation of a non-credentialed doctor performing procedures during those 2 years. Then, through an internal review, the office could not validate whether proper sterilization had occurred. For one veteran we spoke with who asked not to be identified, this is her second call from the Beckley VA about misconduct. She was also a patient of Dr. Jonathan Yates. He was sentenced to federal prison for sexually abusing patients here.
I had to come and get my blood drawn today because of possible cross-contamination that they're being vague about.
A spokesperson for the Beckley VA claims the hospital is testing patients out of an abundance of caution, but this veteran worries there may be more to the story.
We have served our country with selfless, low-paying jobs, and we do not deserve this.
She's one of dozens who are still dealing mentally with the fallout from the sexual abuse case. Now she's having to wait and worry about whether her health is at stake too. Here for you in Beckley, I'm Annie Moore, WVVA News.
Thank you for that report, Annie. We have the Beckley VA Medical Center's full statement on WVVA.com.